Hello and welcome to our PowerSchool tutorials for our parents. Today we're going to talk you through how to create your new account in the PowerSchool Parent Portal. When you come to the Region 12 website as of January 23rd, 2014, there will be a link on the website that will take you to the PowerSchool Parent Portal login page. When you come to this page for the very first time, the things that you're going to need to have with you are the letters that you received from the school that have your student's access ID and password in the document. When you come to this page, you're going to see that there is a login screen at the top and there is a create an account section at the bottom. The very first time that you come to this page, you are going to need to create your account. You'll only do this once, and you can do this for each guardian who needs to have access. So if there are two parents that need to have access, each parent can create their own access account. So once you come to this page, you're going to click the Create Account button. And when you come into this screen, you're going to see where you can go through the process of creating your account. So in the first box, you're going to type your first name. In the second box, you're going to type your last name. In the third box, you're going to type in the user email that you would like the system to use to communicate with you. So whatever email that you put into this box is what PowerSchool will use to generate emails to you through the Parent Portal. You're also going to create a desired username and enter in a password. And you will put that password in 2 times just for confirmation. There's a little box on the right-hand side over here, and when you start to type in your password, it's going to tell you whether it believes your password is a strong password for security purposes. PowerSchool will tell you a secure password will have things like a mix of letters and numbers, and that it's not something that's easily guessed. It's also important to know that your password is case sensitive. So if you use uppercase and lowercase letters, they always must be typed that way. Now once you've created the account information at the top, you're going to come to the bottom. And down here in this section is where you're actually going to link your children to your personal account. So each child you should have received for each child a separate letter that has the child's name on it, their access ID, and a password that's been generated specifically for that child. On your screen, you can type in the student name, and there's no need to put in the full name. You can just put the name that you refer to them as, such as Sarah or James. Their access ID and their access password must be typed exactly the way that you see it on the letter that you will receive. It's very important or it will not connect the account properly. Under the Relationship tab, this is where you're going to choose the relationship that the child is to you. So for example, this could be your son or this could be your daughter. Once you've entered in the information for all of your children, so again, you can have multiple children attached to this single account so that you only have to log in with one name and you'll see each child's information. Once you've completed all of the children's accounts, you're then going to click the Enter button. After clicking the Enter button, you're going to receive a message from the system that says, "Congratulations that your account's been created." And at that time, you will be able to go back to the parent login screen, and from this point forward, you will use the top half of the screen where you'll enter the newly created username and the newly created password. If you have any other questions about creating your account with PowerSchool Parent Portal, feel free to call or email us at Region 12. All of our contact information is on the Region 12 website. Thank you very much.